In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Jotform. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and by the end your video will play right inside your form. You'll only need a share link from YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, or another supported host. First, open jotform.com in your browser. Once you're on the Jotform dashboard, go to My Forms so you can see your existing forms. Find the form you want to enhance and choose Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can add and arrange elements. On the left side of the builder, you'll see the panel for adding form components. Click Widgets to open the Widgets gallery. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Video Embed. The Video Embed widget is a flexible option that works with popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Loom, so you don't have to worry about custom code. Click and drag the Video Embed widget into your form, then drop it exactly where you want the video to appear. You can always move it later by dragging it up or down, so don't stress about perfect placement yet. With the widget selected, a settings panel will appear. Paste your video link into the URL field. Use the standard share link from your platform, and be sure the video is accessible to your audience. Public or unlisted links typically work best. Private links or ones that require a login usually won't load inside the form. If you're using YouTube, the share button provides a clean URL. For Vimeo and Loom, copy the main share link from their interface. It's also a good idea to use an HTTPS link to ensure the video loads securely. When your link is in place, click Update Widget. That applies your changes, and you'll see the video render right away in the builder. If the preview doesn't appear, double-check that the link is correct and not restricted by privacy settings on the hosting platform. Your video will now appear inside the form. The widget automatically handles responsive sizing, so it looks good on desktop and mobile. You can refine the placement by dragging it to a new spot, and consider adding a short instruction above or below the video to let people know what to watch before they continue. Features like captions, quality, and playback controls are managed by your video host. That's it. Today you learned how to open jotform.com. Go to My Forms, edit your form, open the widgets panel, find Video Embed, drag it into your form, paste your video link, and click Update Widget. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating more engaging forms with video.